Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue. The issue is that your Discord app is not working properly on your iPhone or maybe iPad. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem. Simply follow all the steps I'm going to explain. First, go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, check that your VPN is not connected. If the VPN is on, just disconnect it. Next, go to the General section and tap on Software Update. If a new iOS version is available, make sure to update to the latest iOS version. After that, go back and open iPhone storage. Scroll down and find the Discord app. Tap on Discord, then tap on Offload app, and reinstall Discord from there. Once that's done, go back again and scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. After doing all these steps, your problem should be solved. If the issue still continues, simply uninstall the Discord app and reinstall it again from the App Store. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos.